Hello and good evening, our beloved viewers. You are watching our live RTD channel. Welcome to this English news edition. Coming up, the headlines. Uh, the triumph Fatah Hussein in half marathon in Lisbon. And on the international scenes, European country welcome Arab plans for reconstruction of Gaza. Those were the headlines. Thanks for joining us in our newsroom. In the framework of the Strong Half Marathon Phase held in Lisbon, the young Djiboutian runner, Mr. Muhyiddin Abdi won his first place, while the runner Mohamed Ismail, known as Fatah, won the bronze medals during this race. Djiboutian athletes left their mark on international competition during the half marathon in Lisbon. The Minister of State for Sport, Mr. Hassan Mohamed Kamel, expressed his congratulations to the two champions for this victory. He praised their well deserved victory and raising the flag of Djibouti high on the international stage. As part of the government is ongoing effort to improve water resources management and effectively combat poverty and drought, the Minister of Agriculture, Animal Resources and Fisheries received today six heavy equipment aimed at strengthening the operational capacities of the two logistic centers established in Dakhil and Tajora. This initiative is part of the integrated water resources management project, and it's an important tool to the implementation of the national strategies on access of water and rural development. Thanks to these strategies, investment, and the support of partners, this initiative reflects the government's commitment to promoting development and assuring citizens to have access in water and quality maintenance service regardless to their place. The Secretary General of the Ministry of Agriculture said in his intervention that this ambition project aim to which is from a clear and confirmed political vision in favor of the comprehensive development and improving the living condition of the rural population, he said. In an intervention by the Minister of Agriculture, he affirmed that the government is placed to fight against poverty and drought at the top of its absolute priorities and continue to implement structural initiatives through various programs, including the multi-sector development program to promote regional integration, which aim to ensure sustainable access to water for the most needy communities, concluded the minister. The National Assembly held an important session to discuss two major bills in relation to the retirement system and the organization of the National Recruitment and Retirement Fund. The two bills discussed are a bill relating to partial amendment to the law regulation of operation, but also the Social Protection Office and the General Retirement System for civil society and the civil servant, this bill related to a partial amendment to the law reorganizing the National Retirement Fund. The session was chaired by the chairman of the parliamentary committees on social development and the environmental sector, the legislation, public administration, and the human rights. The government was represented in this session by the Minister of Labor in charge of formalization and social protection. But also the acting director general of the National Social Security Fund, in addition to the institution's commandate. Djibouti Port Corridors Authorities and Mobile Emergency and Resuscitation Unity of the University Hospitals of Djibouti signed a memorandum of a strategy partnership agreement aimed at strengthening the medical point located in the country's main road. This agreement aimed to reduce response time, improve the coordination of the relief efforts, and ensure more effective pre-hospital care for accident victims on the Djibouti Port Corridor Road. Through this partnership, the Djibouti Port Corridors Reform Authorities and the Ministry of Health are working together to stabilize and improve a system to ensure rapid intervention in the event of the accident or require for urgent medical assistance. Road safety awareness campaign will also be organized to a user with the aim of promoting the good driving practices and preventing accidents. For his part, Dr. Umar Mohamed Ismail, Director General of the University Hospital of Djibouti, stressed the importance of this collaboration and coordination of emergency service is essential to improve the pre-hospital care for their chance in survival, he said. For his part, the president of Djibouti's Port Authorities Corridor, Mr. Abdi Ibrahim Farah, indicated that this partnership represents a major step towards user safety, which is at the heart of our priorities, he said. This partnership with the Noble and mobile emergency units allows us to strengthen our capacity to intervene and save lives, he said. As part of the cultural and sporting activities of the holy month of Ramadan, the Hajidide Center for Community Development organized an exceptional multi-sport tournament. This tournament brought together fans of football, table tennis, and other games. This competition allows participants to have a good time and also strengthen the bonds of brotherhood and solidarity among young people. The football tournament attracts a local youth theme in friendly and competitive atmosphere. The match provide spectators to rich moments of exchange. This event during the blessment was an opportunity to enhance the spirit of solidarity and brought together the characterize this period, in particular the month of Ramadan. The month of Ramadan Championship launched on football and Pentank League in Mulud district as part of the sport activities for the Holy Month of Ramadan organized by the Ministry of Youth and Culture. The Community Development Center, in collaboration with the sport community of Mulud Development Committee, launched a wide ranking footballs and Pentank program for the benefit of Mulud Club. The team participating in the Football League consists of 7 teams, while 12 teams competed in the Pantang Championship. The official launch ceremony was held last Friday, March 7, in the presence of the Assistant Governor of Mulud District, but also the Community Development Center, officials of Mulud Development Committee. In a friendly and fraternal atmosphere, the activities of the fourth edition of the Ramadan Championship were officially launched last Saturday, March 8, in Ali Sabih region. The Minister of Youth and Culture, in partnership with the government and the regional council in Ali Sabih, organized this annual championship that brings together young people around the values of friendship and in playing throughout the holy months of Ramadan. The opening ceremony was attended by a high-level delegation, including the second Deputy Governor, Mr. Omar Idris, the Vice President of the Regional Council, and the President of the Regional Football Association of Ali Sabih region, the regional director of the Ministry of Youth and Culture in Ali Sabih. This sporting competition will be held in several localities access to the region. This tournament organized with the support of the regional youth association in Ali Sabih, the celebrate of the holy month of Ramadan. In addition, in a statement of this occasion, Mr. Omar Idrisuge thanked the Ministry of Youth and Culture, headed the Minister Dr. Hibo Mumin Asowi, who provide the necessary equipment for the athletes and stress the importance of such event in Ali Sabih region. And now for the international scene, the European countries welcomed the Arab plan to rebuild Gaza Strip in a joint statement issued in the Berlin, Germany, France, the United Kingdom, and Italy welcomed this plan for Gaza, which offers a realistic path toward the reconstruction of Gaza. The foreign minister of these countries stressed in the statement that this plan, if was implemented and promise a rapid and lasting improvement in Palestine living in Gaza, the Palestinian living in Gaza, and they said we are welcoming the serious effort made by all the parties concerned and appreciate the important signal sent by the Arab communities by jointly developing the reconstruction plan. They added that they are committed to working with the Arab Initiative, the Palestinian and Israeli, to address these issues together, including security and the governance, which is the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, is officially adopted on Saturday, March. This is it for this edition. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful evening.